Hi, my name is Greg Fell. I'm Director of Public Health in Sheffield. So a brief clip about mental health and wellbeing. I know we're all working in different ways, whether that's at home. We're kind of working in a far more isolated way. I guess it's important that we take care of our body, and hopefully we're all keeping our exercise going, but it's also important that we take care of our mind. So as a rule, we tend to use the Every Mind Matters framework. There are kind of 5 core messages within that. Firstly, keep in touch, friends, family, phone, Skype, social media, whatever is your way of doing that. Acknowledge your feelings, talk about your worries, but try not to dwell on them. Get the facts from reliable sources. We all know that social media is awash with fake news, awash with alarmist stories, the vast majority of which aren't true, so get your facts from reliable sources. I do this a lot, but I try and avoid continual media updates because it just gets a bit stressful, to be honest. Involving your children and family can help them and others understand what's going on, and there are lots of good places to kind of help people talk about that. The Sheffield Children's Hospital website has a particularly good source of information about how best to involve children and families. Keep your body active as well, and exercise at least once a day, and keep busy with whatever it is that you enjoy doing. I suppose through it all, remember that you're not alone. Everyone's in this together, and you certainly shouldn't be suffering alone. So there are some practical places of support. Two or three that I'll draw your attention to. One is the Sheffield Mental Health Guide, and that's a website-based service that brings together a whole range of sources of support and advice for people in Sheffield. It's pretty easy to find on the internet. Search for Sheffield Mental Health Guide, or they run a helpline which is 0114 273 7009, and that's open weekdays all day. Or there's a 24-hour mental health telephone line provided by Sheffield Health and Social Care Trust, and that offers urgent mental health and support for people of all ages. And again, you should call 0114 226 3636. And finally, IAPT, so our Improving Access to Psychological Therapy service, have developed a 4-week online course about coping with coronavirus. I've not been through it, but I kind of had a look at the material. It looks really, really good. So I'd encourage people to access that if you need to. So remember, you're not alone, and it is important that you kind of protect your mental health as well as your physical health through this difficult time.